Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming network parity. Your TV and phone must be on the same Wi-Fi. Once done, open the Only Way Cast on TV app and accept network and local permissions so discovery works. Make sure your phone's casting option is enabled, or open the Only Way Companion app on your device and tap Discover. Doing this first speeds pairing, otherwise the TV won't appear. If you see a prompt for access to media, allow it to stream video and audio smoothly. Now pair the devices. In the Only Way mobile interface, choose the TV name that appears. If a pairing code appears on screen, type it into your phone. This prevents unwanted connections. Once paired, grant remote control or media access so play, pause, and seek work from your device. To stream, either choose Cast from the video app and pick Only Way, or select Screen Mirror in Only Way to replicate your whole display. This method preserves resolution and audio sync. When bandwidth, complete the session by confirming audio routes to the TV. If sound stays on your phone, change the output in the casting controls. If you encounter lag, drop the stream quality or pause and resume. Packet drops often cause stuttering. Once done watching, stop casting from your device to release the connection. If things go wrong, restart the Only Way app, toggle Wi-Fi on both devices, and repair with a fresh PIN. That clears most handshake problems and restores stable casting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.